Three of the biggest AI models in 2026 are competing for the top spot: Kimi K3, GPT-5, and Claude Fable 5. But which one is actually the best? In this video, I will compare them across reasoning, coding, writing speed, pricing, and real-world use cases, so you can decide which model is worth using. Let's get started. Introduction. AI models have improved dramatically over the past year. And instead of simply answering questions, today's model can write code, analyze documents, create content, solve complex problems, and even act as AI assistants. While GPT-5 from OpenAI remains one of the biggest names, Moonshot AI's Kimi K3 has become a strong open-weight competitor, and Cloudy Fable 5 focuses heavily on reasoning, long context understanding, and enterprise productivity. Let's compare them category by category. Reasoning and problem solving. When it comes to solving complex questions, all three models are excellent, but they have different strengths. GPT-5 is one of the most balanced models available. It performs consistently across logical reasoning, mathematics, research tasks, and multi-step problem solving. It's also less likely to lose context during long conversations. Cloudy Fable 5 shines in analytical thinking. It's particularly strong at understanding lengthy documents, breaking down difficult concepts, and producing thoughtful explanations. Many users prefer it for research heavy work. Kimi K3 has improved significantly and performs surprisingly well for technical reasoning, especially considering it's an open weight model. While it may occasionally trail GPT-5 on the hardest reasoning benchmarks, it's competitive for most everyday tasks. Winner: GPT-5 for overall balance, with Cloudy Fable 5 close behind for deep analysis. Coding performance. For developers, coding quality is often the deciding factor. GPT-5 generates clean, reliable code across many programming languages. It's excellent for debugging, explaining code, building applications, and handling complex software projects. Kimi K3 is particularly impressive for coding. Many developers praise its strong programming performance, fast code generation, and cost efficiency, making it attractive for AI assisted development. Cloudy Fable 5 also performs well in coding, especially when reviewing large code bases or explaining architecture. Though many developers still prefer GPT-5 or Kimi K3 for day-to-day coding tasks. Winner: GPT-5 for reliability, while Kimi K3 offers outstanding value for developers. Writing and content creation. If your focus is writing articles, scripts, emails, or marketing content, the differences become more noticeable. Cloudy Fable 5 produces natural, detailed writing with excellent structure. It's particularly strong for long form content and professional communication. GPT-5 is extremely versatile. It adapts well to different tones, writes naturally, and follows instructions accurately, making it ideal for creators and businesses. Kimi K3 produces solid content and handles multilingual writing well, but its responses sometimes require a bit more editing compared to GPT-5 or Cloudy. Winner: Cloudy Fable 5 for long form writing, with GPT-5 being the best all around content creator. Speed and efficiency. Response speed matters when you are working throughout the day. Kimi K3 is generally fast and efficient, especially through API deployments and self hosted environments. GPT-5 offers excellent speed while maintaining high quality responses, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals. Cloudy Fable 5 is also responsive, but may spend slightly longer generating highly detailed answers. For most users, the speed differences are relatively small. Winner: Kimi K3 for raw efficiency. Pricing and accessibility. Pricing is another major factor. Kimi K3 stands out because it's available as open weight model, allowing organizations and developers to deploy it themselves. This makes it highly attractive for businesses that want more control and lower operating costs. GPT-5 is available through ChatGPT subscriptions and API pricing. While it is not the cheapest option, many users feel it reliably justifies the cost. Cloudy Fable 5 also offers subscription and API access aimed at professionals and enterprise users, with pricing that generally competes with other premium AI services. Winner: Kimi K3 for affordability and deployment flexibility. Which one should you choose? Choose GPT-5 if you want the best all-around AI model, excellent coding, reliable reasoning, strong writing, a polished user experience. Choose Cloudy Fable 5 if you want deep document analysis, long-form writing, research assistance, detailed explanations. Choose Kimi K3 if you want strong coding performance, lower operating costs, open weight deployment, excellent value for developers and businesses. None of these models is objectively perfect. They simply excel in different areas. So my advice is to use all of them simultaneously. Final verdict. If I had to recommend just one model for most users in 2026, it would be GPT-5 because it delivers the most consistent performance across nearly every task. However, Claude Fable 5 is an outstanding choice for research and writing, while Kimi K3 is arguably the best value if you are a developer or want an open weight AI model you can deploy yourself. Ultimately, the best model depends on how you plan to use AI. That's our comparison of Kimi K3 versus GPT-5 versus Cloudy Fable 5. If this video helped you decide, do not forget to like, subscribe, and let us know down below in the comments which AI model you are using in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.